Why don't you come over here and I will install you as the new president.
Okay.
Okay. I hope we don't mess this up. What I'd like to do is repeat the phrase after me. See if we do better than last year.
Raise your right hand.
Okay, yes. So to make it official, I need you to raise your right hand. Okay. And then just repeat after me. I solemnly swear
I solemnly swear
that I shall carry out the duties
that I shall carry out the duties
of the office of the President of the Hillsborough County Medical Association
of the office of the President of the Hillsborough County Medical Association
to the best of my ability.
to the best of my ability.
I promise my loyalty and dedication,
I promise my loyalty and my dedication,
and I will work in partnership with the physician members of this county.
and I will work in partnership with the physician members of this county.
I shall uphold the Constitution and bylaws of the association at all times,
I shall uphold the Constitution and the bylaws of the association at all times,
and work to accomplish the goal of our mission statement.
and work to accomplish the goals of our mission statement.
To these duties and obligations I pledge myself.
To these duties and obligations I pledge myself.
Congratulations, you are duly installed.